Yeah.
got swept away. So with you guys being on Bear Feet, you probably easily get swept
I
away.
wonder what it looks like down there then.
Down where?
If this is
Let's get back.
get that golf course.
It's probably horrible.
I want to see what if it's actually like.
It's all because it's that person's yard.
Was it like this when you and your mom were out there?
It's like a river. All the way down.
Guys gotta go down and feed the animals yet. Hopefully they're okay out in the
They're gonna be flooded out. Look at that card.
shed dance.
Shed dancing already.
Dance over there.
Over here?
Over there.
Holy cow. Person.
And. Just go. 3, 2. Watch out, Jed. Go.
Oh my gosh, Brett! He fell! My iPod's getting wet. I should go back. Oh, my hair.